Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Today I'm going to be making Soondubu, which is a very popular and famous Korean dish. And I'm going to be making Soondubu today with fresh oysters, but you can be adventurous and use any kind of vegetables or seafood that you have in the refrigerator. So let's get started. Usually Soondubu comes in a tube like this or in a box. I usually like to use the one that comes in a tube. And you cut it. Ooh, it went all over the place. You cut it in half and then put it into a bowl. Pre-season the Soondubu with some salt. Mash it up. Mix cooking oil and perilla oil. So when the oil is hot and you put the scallions in to make the scallion oil, you are now ready to add the hot chili pepper or gochugaru. And make sure to turn off the heat at this time because you don't want the gochugaru to burn. Add the fish sauce and turn the heat on. Now I like to add my vegetables, starting with radishes and mushrooms because they take longer to cook. Add some dashi stock. And then add the onions and the zucchinis. Once it starts to boil a little bit, you can add the Soondubu and the oysters. Add the garlic, chopped minced garlic at the end because you don't want the garlic to be bitter. Adding an egg is a personal choice. You can do without if you don't like eggs. Add the green onions before serving. I like my eggs to be a little bit raw because once you mix it up, your soup becomes very creamy. Happy cooking and happier eating!